How to update Windows. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So updating Windows, whatever Windows, if it is 10 or 11, the process is just the same. So follow me through. First, go to your Start, then go to Settings, then click on Windows Update from the last option. If you cannot find it, simply go to Find a Setting and then search for Windows Update Settings. Then you will land in this interface. After that, all you have to do is tap on Check for updates. And if there are any updates available, you will get an option of Install, Download and Install All. Simply tap on it or click on it and it will be updated. If you want to get the latest updates as soon as they are available, all you have to do is toggle this button on and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.